All right, hello everybody. So today we are working on Chapter 12, Lesson 5 in our math book. That's on page 719, so 719. So what we're first going to need is we're going to need our pen. We are going to circle all of the cones that we see in this picture. I see a cone here, and I see a cone here. Do you see any other cones? I don't think so. What about all of the cylinders? So all of the things that kind of look like a can. This drum looks like a cylinder, and this hat looks like a cylinder. What else do we see? I see another hat and another drum and another hat. And look, two more hats. Okay, so we've circled both of the drums and all of the hats. Now we're going to circle cubes. Do we see cubes anywhere? I see that this woman here is holding a cube. Go ahead and circle it. Now, do we see any other cubes? I do not. Let's look. Do you see any spheres? So anything that looks like a ball? I see a ball right here. So we've circled all of the cones, all of the cylinders, the cubes, and the spheres. We're going to turn the page. So for number 1, we're going to name the shape of the first object in the row, describe it, and then compare it to the shapes that are next to it in the row and circle the matching shape. So this is a jack-in-the-box. It's shaped like a cube. So I'm going to look and circle the cube. I know that a cube can stack and it can slide. It cannot roll. Number 2, a soccer ball is a sphere. It can roll, but you cannot stack it. You cannot slide it. Let's look for the sphere. Not this one. Here it is. Go ahead and circle the sphere. Okay, this is a cylinder and this is a cone. Let's look at number 3. I see this flower vase. It looks like a cylinder. I know I can slide it and I can roll it and I can stack them. Let's look for the same cylinder. Not this one, that's a cube. Not this one, that's a sphere. This is a cylinder. So go ahead and circle the cylinder. Okay, we're going to turn the page. Number 4. This recycling can looks like a cylinder. Let's circle the cylinder. Look, here's a cylinder right here. I know that they can stack, they can slide, and they can roll. This is not a cylinder, that's a sphere, and this is a cube, not a cylinder. Number 5, a sunshine. A sunshine is shaped like a sphere, kind of like a ball. It can roll, you can't stack them, and you can't slide them. So it's not the cone, but it's the sphere. Circle the sphere. And it is not the cylinder. Okay, this one right here might be a little bit tricky. This is a pool filled with water. This, to me, looks like a cylinder. Just a very short cylinder. It could roll, you could stack them, and you could slide it. let's circle the shape that matches. It's not this one, it's a cube. It's not this one, that's a cone. But this one, it's a cylinder. Go ahead and circle it. All right, let's go to the next page. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we are going to color all of the cubes one color. So I want you to choose one color. I'm going to choose orange. And I am going to color all of my cubes orange. So I have my ice cubes. And I have my picnic basket. So all of the cubes are one color. You can pick whatever color you want. All of the cones are going to be another color. I'm going to color them green. Here are my cones. Color them green. Okay, now we're going to color all of the spheres a different color. I'm going to color my spheres blue. And then lastly, I'm going to color my cylinders another color. I'm going to use black. And guess what I just realized? I forgot to color this big cube. So once I'm done with my cylinders, I'm going to color the cube. So here I color my cube. So you can pick whatever colors you want. Obviously color a lot nicer than I am. And color each of your shapes a different color. So your cylinders will be one color, your cubes will be one color, your spheres will be one color, and your cones will be another color. All right, thank you so much. Have a good day, and I'll see you next time.